Why I raised this question, partly because this community health center, Nongota Napet Pali, will actually provide healthcare to 4 districts, about 20 villages of Ukhrul district of my constituency, Kamchong district, Kampopi district, and also Imphal East district. Some years ago, I visited this community health center, Nongota Napet Pali. To my horror, somebody was running a poultry farm. The whole building, he was using it as a poultry farm. I strongly advise that gentleman to vacate the community health center. And also, I reported to the state government in writing that somebody was happily running a poultry farm, and which was very, very saddening. Incidentally, Honorable Mr. Speaker, sir, this Imphal Ukhrul, which is 85 kilometers or so, there are hardly any government or important institutes, excepting perhaps the Sachiwa jail. So this community health center was one of the biggest projects in that area. May I say that by way of amplifying my point, Imphal capital city is like a hub. Imphal has 5 spokes, like the cycle of a tire of a cycle. You must have noticed that all the 5 spokes, whether it is Imphal to Churachampur, we have airport, we have railway station coming up. Imphal Mau spoke, the satellite, we have the new secretariat, high court, triple IT. Then Imphal to More, Tecnopal, Thopal, we have the Central University, Manipur University, and we have the Imphal to Tamenglong spoke, the satellite, we have the railway line coming up. Somehow the 5th spoke of the tire of the cycle, Imphal Ukhrul Road, there are hardly any institute. In fact, our only institute, Sachiwa jail, which you know is regulatory. It is like a parent women. I'm sorry to give that example. It cannot conceive a child or baby. So people look forward this community health center, Nongota Napet Pali, with great hope. And I thought it was a very wise decision. Unfortunately, now it is left incomplete for about 10 years, and we don't know when it will be completed. Once it is completed, it will be of great service to the people, especially the dire need of the healthcare in that area. It may not be out of place to mention here that administration headquarters should be for the convenience of the people. So may I humbly suggest to the Honorable Chief Minister, if the Imphal East District headquarters can be moved from Porompa to Sawampung, people will be very, very grateful, and I thought that will be more convenient. The former speaker mentioned that Imphal East District Hospital is coming up in Sakolmang. As a dispassionate observer, I think Sawampung will be more convenient for the public. Now, this is just a dispassionate, objective observation. It is also my humble suggestion. So my supplementary question to the Honorable Minister of Medical, that please try and complete this Nongota Napet Pali Community Health Center, which is one of the few government institute to be coming up on that spoke, the satellite. Thank you.
Honorable Speaker, sir, the Honorable Member has very well mentioned the areas where this hospital, when it comes up, would be catering to. I agree to his views, sir, but as I've said, the project is under investigations by the CBI, so that is the reason why the delay is there. So, and regarding to his observation or what he saw when he went to that poultry farm, we will definitely look into it and make sure that it's not done at that building. That I can assure to the honorable member. So, and the completion of the project, an ambitious project indeed. As soon as the CBI gives the clearance, we can proceed ahead and then try and complete the work. And the examples, some of the examples that the honorable member has given, it's sometimes good to hear. Thank you so much.